What's good, guys? It's your girl Kiesha Arielle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be discussing with you the ideal time for you to wash your starter locks for the very first time. Okay, so let's get into it. One of the most frequently asked questions I get on my videos is how long should I wait before washing my starter locks, especially if it was started using the comb coils or two-strand twist method. The answer to this question, in my opinion, is that you should wash your hair when it needs to be washed. So pretty much you shouldn't change your wash day schedule because you've started your lock journey. You should continue washing your hair at the same frequency you would usually do. The reason for that is because you have to consider your individual hair and scalp conditions. So think about whether you have dry, itchy, or even oily scalp, and also consider your hair's porosity, because sometimes your hair strands itself may be dry and brittle and not only requires moisture but also a protein treatment. Now, if you're not sure whether your hair requires moisture or a protein treatment, then click the cards above for more information. Another reason why you shouldn't change your wash day schedule is because you have to also consider your lifestyle factors, which may affect the health of your hair and scalp. For example, you may be a person who sweats easily or sweat a lot, especially if you work out on a frequent and consistent basis. So a sweaty, unwashed head may not smell too good if it's left in that state for too long. However, if you don't usually have any issues with your hair and scalp, but you're only more concerned about not wanting to disrupt your newly formed locks, then in my opinion, based on my personal experience regarding this, is that it doesn't matter whether you wait 2 weeks, 4 weeks, or 6 weeks, because when you do eventually wash your starter locks, there will be some sort of disruption or unraveling regardless of how long you wait. Now, when I first started my lock journey, I was under the impression that I had to wait 4 weeks before washing my hair, and I did just that. I waited 4 weeks, although I really wanted to wash my hair by the second week. But from experience and also from learning from other people's lock journey, unraveling will happen at some point. But that aside, you still need to maintain a clean and healthy scalp in order for your locks to flourish. Go ahead and check the cards above to watch my 3-month lock update video where I discussed my wash day experiences. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you found today's video helpful, and if you did, then please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. So until next week Sunday at 5 p.m, we will be right back here with another video.